europskih učilišta naučio sam da treba poštivati svakog čovjeka u njegovoj specifičnosti, u njegovom dostojanstvu, bez obzira kojem narodu pripada, vjerskoj ili svjetonazorskoj opciji.
Every person needs to be respected, no matter what religion or ethnic group he belongs to.
I ja sam onda uzeo kao svoj slogan, svoj životni kredo i to nebrojeno puta ponavljao u svim zgodama, pred vjernicima, pred svećenicima, radije ćemo zlo i nepravdu podnositi nego drugima činiti.
It's better to tolerate evil and injustice than to do it to others.
How did they come to seize you? What did they accuse you of? And how were you able to persuade them that killing you was wrong?
Govoriti da ubojstvo vas bilo krivo.
Ja sam tražio dozvolu da smijem otići na jednu župu, tamo imati bogoslužje. U Brdima je bilo 60 km. I dobio sam sve potrebne dozvole da mogu ići. Išao sam sa sekretarom i onda su me u Brdima negdje, samo bila šuma okolo, jedan put zaustavila jedna grupa oružanih ljudi, desetak ljudi, imali su neki, isterali su nas iz auta, uzeli auto, odvezli auto i pušte tamo od 45. godine.
And they said to him sarcastically, we're waiting for you since 1945.
A to su bili mladi ljudi. Ja želim svakome od vas dobro, istinski dobro.
Good for every person, every man in this planet.
I zašto biste vi mene ubijali i imali s time opterećenu savjest? A ko čini zlo, kaže i Sveto pismo i iskustvo govori, ne može se nadati dobro i njega će stići zlo. I puno puta je to uspjelo, puno puta moram priznati. Treba gledati pozitivno na život, na svijet, na svakog čovjeka. I trebamo istinski želiti dobro. To je najveća sila na svijetu. Od ljubavi. Ljubav je u stanju zaustaviti najžešću mržnju.
Love is capable of stopping even the strongest hatred.
Vi ste tu ovdje svjedoci da ovi ljudi koji dolaze iz moga grada, moje zemlje, da izgledaju normalno.
Just as anybody here in America would be.
I da oni vama ne stvaraju ovdje probleme.
They don't have any problems with them here.
I da vas ne tuka. Svi su ti ljudi vrijedni poštovanja.
All these people reserve equal respect.
Treba im omogućiti okvir normalnog življenja, a toga nema u Bosni.
They need a framework for a normal life, which is
temeljna ljudska prava,
human
mnogim
rights,
stotinama tisuća.
and basic have not been guaranteed to people, and that is an initial first problem.
Tamo nisu zagarantirana neka temeljna također prava jednoj ili drugoj etničkoj skupini.
As well as the basic
Ljudi su
fundamental
silno zahvalni Sjedinjenim državama da su oni intervenirali tamo i donijeli se
very grateful to the United States of America for intervening and stopping the war, which was done by America, not by Europe, and creating the peace.
Nažalost,
what next?
Kako znate, Europska unija je bila lažna. Nije bila vjerodostojna, neodlučna, nejedinstvena i ona je puštala tamo da se rat... Zapravo, meni su evropski političari u stotinama razgovora govorili da je to bio nastavak Prvog i Drugog svjetskog rata. Među velikim silama, ali na našem području. Mi smo bili izabrani kao poligon gdje će se izvoditi
a test area for various policy issues and agendas that they
Ja doživljavam tamo cijelu tu regiju jugoistoka Europe, a poslije Bosnu, kao nogu, ili barem dio noge do stopalo puno gangrene.
I see this part of Europe, Bosnia, as a foot which has gangrene on it.
zaboravljena je Bosna i Hercegovina
Bosnia and Herzegovina has
i
been
jugoistok
forgotten,
Europe
as well as Southeastern Europe, in
od
certain
strane
respects.
srca jednog organizma
From
koji se zove
The heart,
Europa.
which is Europe, which is Central Europe,
I to
has
je
forgotten
predugo
Too
je
long
srce
has
zaboravilo
happened
dole da treba slati krv u
that
nogu.
the heart needs to send blood down to the foot.
I
It's
prsti
this
otpadaju
analogy.
i cijela noga.
And what is happening now, fingers are falling off and you have the whole foot being questioned, will it survive?
Dakle, treba i političke, i
So we need
pravne, i
political, legal,
ekonomske,
and
veće
economic
pomoći toj regiji.
assistance to that part of the world or region to avoid future
Da se dole također urede međunarodni odnosi, među državi, odnosno
establish
među narodima te regije.
multinational relations in that region as well.
Kako sam rekao, nažalost imamo sada opet jedan broj političara kojima je
Unfortunately, we currently have a good number of
širenje
politicians
straha od drugih i drugačijih
use fear and spreading fear.
Dakle, ograđivanje sebe, malog svoga sela, malog svoga okruga od drugih i drugačijih.
From others,
To je njima daleko
isolating
važnije
themselves, which is
nego
much more
pomirenje,
than
zajednički život i međusobna
trust
trgovina,
and
međusobno susretanje.
living together.
I nažalost, ti
Unfortunately,
političari tamo
these
ne dolaze, to je moje uvjerenje, ne samo mišljenje, uvjerenje, ne dolaze bez pomoći međunarodnih pomagača.
these politicians are oftentimes being supported by other international governments who want to see instability and who prefer to have this.
Ja sam
That's it.
moje temeljno pitanje, zašto mi u Bosni i Hercegovini nismo ljudi za one glavne kočijaše?
Why are
Svjetske
we in
politike.
Bosnia and Herzegovina not people for those stagehands? Why are not we being led as people?
Mi tvrdimo da jesmo ljudi i da smo
Say
evo
we are,
u stanju
but
također sa
the way
drugima
the processes are
živjeti zajedno
being conducted towards us, it's not
i da
going that
želimo
way.
izgrađivati svoju zemlju prije nego što od vas očekujemo, mi sami želimo. Zašto se kažnjava tamo dobronamjerne ljude i žrtve rata, a nagrađuje zločince?
Why
Zašto se
in
nagrađuje?
this part of the world the aggressors and the people who are doing ill are being rewarded, whereas the victims
Kad kaže, Jarane, ti si pravi idiot. A on kaže, a šta mi to koristi kada je slaba plaća?
says, my dear fellow man, you're a real idiot. He says, what is that?
Multiple questions. So one that I would just kind of bluntly would ask would be, you use the metaphor of the stagecoach going into the hole. What caused it to go into the hole specifically, and what could the United States do if you could say one thing to the U.S. government to say help us pull it out of this hole? What would you ask?
Šta bi rekao američka vlada, možeš jednu stvar da pomogne izvući kočaša i koču iz te provalije rupe?
Oprostite, poštovani profesore,
Here.
ja nisam vama na istoj razini.
Unfortunately, I cannot speak to the same level because I'm not at your level.
Ja nisam političar, niti
I'm not
politički
a
strateg.
politician or political strategist.
Ja sam samo običan tamo čovjek koji
Just
stjecam okolnosti sam bio izložen mnogim
An ordinary person
informacijama.
who was exposed to
Različitim
many
informacijama.
informations and situations there.
Evo, kada sam u Parizu razgovarao u
When I was in
Ministarstvu
Paris
vanjskih poslova,
with the Ministry of
prije
Foreign
podne,
Affairs
a
of
poslije podne
France,
u Elizejskoj palači.
and then
U Elizejskoj palači, s prvim sekretarom Širak.
he met with the Secretary Chirac's secretary, and
Ja sam i pitao,
I asked him,
vi ste jedna od prvih violina
you're one of
evropske
the first
demokracije i
violins of
civilizacije.
European democracy and
Kako ste
civilization.
mogli dozvoliti da se vaši principi
How could you allow
ovako
your
brutalno
principles
gaze
are being
u
trampled
mojoj
on
domovini?
in my country? Here's an example. My country, and here are your principles, and look what's happening.
To je bilo u pitanju u isto vrijeme i optužba zapravo.
And that was not only a question, but also an accusation at the same time.
On je odgovorio,
And he answered to me,
vi morate razumjeti nas da nama ne može biti svejedno
you have to understand us that for us,
što smo sada prisiljeni da potpišemo
we're not happy
svoj poraz u Prvom svjetskom ratu.
to sign our defeat in the Second World War through what is
Mi smo
happening.
sada izgubili Prvi svjetski rat.
We just lost the Second World War u Bosni.
Dakle, naše dijete ubijeno.
Our
Naše
child,
dijete
in a
ubijeno,
way,
a vi očekujete da mi
Bosnia,
plješćemo.
Yugoslavia, it has fallen apart. That was the French, one of the French
Sam
creations.
pitao, pa je li Bosna ratovala protiv Francuske u Prvom svjetskom ratu?
I said, did Bosnia fight France in the First World War? And he said, no.
Šta je to za ime Bože?
What-
Pa to je bio
what are you
zastupnički
talking
rat.
about?
Dakle, vi ste se velike sile tukle preko naših leđa.
The great powers were fighting over the backs of people in Bosnia, in that part of the world on a constant.
Onda sam pitao mjesec dana nakon toga Kola,
I spoke to Councillor Kola a month later and asked him
šta su mi Francuzi rekli?
what the French said to me.
I on kaže,
And
a
Councillor
nama
Kola
naši
said to me,
susjedi nisu mogli oprostiti što smo se mi ujedinili, a
our
pogotovo
neighbors
što
did
smo
not
vas,
forgive us that we
priznali.
were
jer je priznavanjem
came
Slovenije,
together, but
Hrvatske i
even more
Bosne
that we
prestala
recognized
postojati Jugoslavija.
because with that Yugoslavia fell apart.
A
So
poznato je da je Jugoslavija nastala kao pobjednički znak
Yugoslavia was
protiv
a creation
Germana.
of
protiv Germana.
as a symbol of victory over Germany. That was the creation of Yugoslavia. It was symbolic to that victory, and now it's falling apart. And Germany is the one who supports it falling apart. And here you have antagonism happening again.
Dakle, Bosna i Hercegovina prema Ustavu Jugoslavije od 74. godine,
The 1974
kao i
Constitution
sve
of
druge,
Yugoslavia
kao i sve druge republike,
defines Bosnia
imala je
Herzegovina
pravo na odcijepljenje.
had the right to secede if they wanted to, which the
I
Constitution
na,
of 74 gave
na,
them.
na referendumu je
And
većina
right to referendum.
stanovništva se također izglasala je da žele imati samostalnu Bosnu i Hercegovinu,
At which time
ravnopravni naroda
the
sa
majority wanted their own
najvišim
state.
zagarantiranim pravima
And
svake etničke skupine,
country,
svakoga naroda,
which
svake
gave every
etničke
ethnic group
zajednice.
their guaranteed rights and freedoms underneath that constitution.
Dakle, Amerika bi trebala zajedno sa Europskom unijom odlučnije tamo provesti Dejtonski sporazum na
America should lead the way and in cooperation with the European Union and member states and implement the
A
Dayton
on još
Peace
nije, mene
Agreement.
kancelar Kohl, jedan od supotpisnika rekao u proljeće 96. godine, ovo je tek prvo poluvrijeme, mi planiramo Dayton 2 i Dayton 3.
Chancellor Kohl to him said, this is just the beginning, we're planning Dayton 2 and Dayton 3, which has never happened.
Ja sam to rekao europskim političarima sada u
And I've mentioned
Strasbourgu.
that many times just
Šta je s
listening
time?
to Strasbourg, to European politicians, that what is happening with this?
Oni
There's
kažu,
no future,
biskupe,
there's no Dayton 2 or 3.
pustite Dayton,
Biskup,
trebamo mi
forget about Dayton.
ovdje održati Europsku komisiju,
We have the European Union, the European
konferenciju
delegation
o
that we need
budućnosti
to
Bosne i Hercegovine i toga dijela Europe.
forget about Dayton.
Ovo je naš evropski političari su nejedinstveni,
But there's a
neodlučni.
big problem with European politicians. They are indecisive and they don't agree many times on how to approach.
Drugim riječima, sadašnja situacija je, po
So in
mom
other words,
skromnom
the
sudu,
current situation
dobra podloga za nove sukobe.
is a good
Za novu
foundation
nervozu
for
tamo.
many new
Ne
aggressions and conflicts.
prava istina saznati o
People don't
nedavnoj
really
prošlosti i
one another,
sadašnjosti.
the real truth about
Ne želi
the
se
past,
provoditi tamo pravda, nema pravne države
a just and equitable state,
i ne radi se na praštanju i pomirenju.
and there is no forgiveness.
Bez
and
praštanja i pomirenja neće ni
Conciliation.
istina ni pravda tamo donijeti plodove.
Without those things, there will not be truth or justice.
Ali sama istina i pravda bez praštanja i pomirenja također neće donijeti plodove.
So yeah.
Curious whether, if maybe phrase it a different way, I would like to see if you could give comment. If you could ask the United States to do one thing to solve the problems that you're still facing, what would that one thing be?
Da nešto napravi, da bi se mogli problemi koje se vi suočavate riješiti. Šta bi ta jedna stvar bila što je mogla Amerika napraviti u ovom trenutku? Ako mogli vi nekog pitati da se nešto poduzme konkretno, šta bi ta jedna stvar bila?
Sve diskusije i sve naznake samo govore da treba promijeniti sadašnje političko ustrojstvo zemlje.
All discussions and all the indicators say that we need to change the political hierarchy in the country. The politicians are the problem, I think, he's trying to say.
Dakle,
How their training got worse, as we see happening now with various recent generals that were in Croatia that were freed and the reaction of Serbia, and you see more nationalistic rhetoric happening now, which I'm sure will spill over into Bosnia, and it's happening little by little. That is the real danger, and that's what's happening now. Until something like that happens, I think the U.S. will still be having a back seat because there are
Ali
other
sam
options.
upozorio,
But I also warned
ima mira i u groblju,
there's also peace in the cemetery,
ali mi još nismo mrtvi.
but we're not dead yet.
Ima mira i među robovima.
And there's also peace between
To je
slaves
robski mir.
in slaves.
Ali mi ne
Slavery.
želimo biti robovi.
We don't want to be slaves.
Nemamo pravo na to, jer nas je Bog stvorio slobodne.
Yeah, God created us as equal and free.
Mi ne želimo tamo robski mir.
We don't want a freedom that's based under slavery or people are not returning to their homes. And you have a whole different ethnic map being formed now, which is creating another type of instability.
Gdje je moje preko milion moji su narodnjaka iz Bosne i Hercegovine koji još nisu vratili
There are a
svoj
million Bosnians that have not returned yet. Where have they gone? Regardless of Serb, Croat, but they're missing. They're not there. They're dislocated throughout the region.
A Aneks 7 garantira svakome da se vrati nazad i dobit će pomoć.
And this is the key that Annex 7 of Dayton Peace Accords, which is not implemented, says that everyone who wants to come back to their home will be allowed to do that. But that is not being currently implemented, where you have politicians or local leaders who are using nationalist rhetoric, as I said earlier, closing off themselves to any type of integration. Earlier, so this fact is that there's a lack, a void of adequate politicians who are trained, who understand how to run a country, not based on nationalistic ideas, but based on the problems. Global warming is a problem if you're Croat, Serb, or Muslim. It's the same problem. We talked about this earlier. But over there, it's being politicized. People are not making decisions based on issues, but based on politics, and these politics are very nationalistic and very, based on old historical events. And that is the problem. Is keep going in circles. So somebody needs to be crying.
Dakle, i zato je i ovo vaše zanimanje za našu
And that's why your
dramatičnu
profession
situaciju.
and what is being taught here
Vrlo dragocjeno.
is very
Jer-
important for us.
Jer svi ozbiljni analitičari govore da je sada Bosna i Hercegovina u goroj situaciji neko
Many
96. godine.
analysts are saying that Bosnia and Herzegovina also
Predugo traje
the local
agonija
people,
naša.
the local have had enough.
Do you believe this can be solved internally?
Jel se to može riješiti interno možda, ti problemi?
Ko interno? Kad vi nagrađujete one jače, a kažnjavate one slabije, cijelo vrijeme.
The problem is with internal solutions, the ones that are in the wrong are always getting rewarded, and the weaker ones who are in the right are usually being sanctioned. So there is no justice, and that is a problem when it's interim. So somebody from the outside needs to come and say, okay, what do we do?
Dakle, nisu meni pitanju domaći mi znamo kakvi smo slabi.
We know how weak we are.
Nego ste
Us.
vi meni
You are the ones who are in question in the international community.
Vi morate biti svjesni svoje vjerodostojnosti. Vi ste učitelji, a ne slabi učenici, slabi đaci koji nikako da nauče.
You're the teachers. We're the poor students. You need to be the ones who are showing us the right path.
A kakvi ste vi to učitelji? Pošaljete tamo najsposobnije učitelje, predstavnike svoje. I oni ostave zemlju, pa odu i kažu Bosna i Hercegovina obučena u luđačku košulju. Daleko od nas.
Essentially, you say,
Bog s vama.
you send your best diplomats, your best people there, and the impression they left is saying, Bosnia and Herzegovina is dressed in straight jacket. Thank you, straight jacket.
No, oprostite, molim vas, to sam tako
Please
bio.
forgive me for being so blunt.
Drzak. Ali mi u vas gledamo doista sa velikim
We
poštovanjem
look
i
at you with
velikim
great respect
očekivanjem.
and great expectations.
Ja sam duboko uvjeren da to ne radimo uzalud.
And I'm deeply believe that we're not doing this in vain.
U Evropi, ko vlada svijetom?
I asked several of my European counterparts who's running the world,
Pa su mi rekli, ignorancija,
and they told me ignorance,
arogancija,
arrogance,
cinizam
cynicism,
i naivnost.
and naivete.
Holanđani, meni je rekao Van de Broek,
A Dutch person, Van den Broek,
biskupe, oprostite,
said,
i vi i vaši svi zemljaci
please
tamo,
forgive me
radi moga fatalnog neznanja,
because of my
ja sam donio fatalne odluke.
poor knowledge. I came to poor conclusions and poor decisions. So please forgive me for not being prepared and reaching.
Ja
towards
sam
the
dao
summit.
zeleno svjetlo Miloševiću da započne
I
rad.
essentially
Evo,
gave,
gori.
and others would say
Pa su ga
something different,
pitali,
you know,
ta kaže napakao.
what do you say about this,
Rekao,
about this
ovim
hell that's
divljacima
happening
treba
there?
poslati još oružja da se međusobno
We need to
potpuno
send
istrijebe,
these wild,
pa ćemo onda imati više mira u svojoj
more
kući.
weapons to them and let them kill each other and we'll have more peace than if we
I to nije arogancija.
Is that arrogance or not?
One thing.
Well,
You said you are an ordinary man. There's nothing ordinary about your leadership.
Yeah, thank you very much. And congratulations.
Well, welcome to Harvard. But